Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to easily download Snapchat Spotlight videos. So first thing first, there is no official way to download Spotlight videos directly from Snapchat, but we definitely have some alternative ways. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your device, then simply swipe right from the camera screen to access the Discover page or simply tap on the play button available in the bottom right corner. After you tap on it, you will be navigated to Spotlight. Here you can see various different reels. Then choose one of them to download. Then once you choose them, then simply tap on the share icon available there and tap on the copy link. After you copied the link, go back and tap on the Google Chrome. Then simply type down Snapchat download video downloader and simply search for it and tap on the first option available there. Then inside Snapchat video downloader, you will get to see enter your URL here. Simply paste your copied URL there and download it. Now your video is ready to download. Tap on the download the video and here it is downloaded. Go and check on your photos or gallery and you will get to see it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.